Semput Menteri yang ba kejela ba Presiden Tensong ulaong ba sorkar jela kadang bisyar benia ban penrong ya ki kendon juga Immigration and Foreigners Act arjar arpsan ban pentrai kam ya ka ha kejengadei kum ka inner line permit long ba ya kejing pej benia jong ka Foreigner Act kabalayo jing menjur na ke parlimen lapa asyau Advocate General rangkat berkekenhun ke riu stad an ban bisyar benia Ulaong ru ba kejing don juki an jok sorkar pedeng kaya raban penbet ya kejing ya kibai dai bat kejing wan rung be an jong kibriu sha kari shushu ulaong ru ba kamdai ka kamram jok sorkar jela ban pet habai dai ba kejing wan rung be an jong kibriu sha kari kadai ka kamram jok sorkar pedeng ka ban shimkhia ya kani Hanrai ke sorkar Meghalaya kala shimkhia bha ya kane ka kam ula pente bak sorkar kan sasdang biang ya kejing pentrai kam ya ka Village Defense Party habaro ki jaka khaput la kadai ki khaput bat kari Bangladesh ni ki khaput bat ki jela Bamarjan.
Well, about this issue, in fact, yes, I think CM or Honorable CM has already given the statement that yes, we are even examining if the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025, Foreigners and Immigration Act, passed by the Parliament, to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts. So this ongoing process, you know well that any illegal immigrant coming to India from different parts of our country, so the act is there, the law is there, the enforcers are there, so we take action accordingly as per the provision of the law. So that's what we are doing even till today.
So you will be strengthening the VDP, will you be harming them?
Yeah, this because if you talk about the illegal immigration, this is the national subject. In fact, it's not the state subject. But let me tell you one thing: as far as this situation that we have in Bangladesh, now we have decided from the state government that we will also reactivate the function of the VDP in all the international border as well as the interstate border.
Will you be giving them arms?
Not necessarily arms, but we will do further training. We will have some kind of training, and then we will see also what are the basic requirements needed to be done. So that we are in the process of completing this whole issue. Then we will give some more, as I said to you, some more, some more training to the VDPs so that they can also handle this issue.
So how safe our borders are right now?
No, right now we are safe. I'm not saying that we are not safe. We are safe because jointly, be it from the BSF side, be it from the police, state police side, we are fully alerted, and we have already directed even the district administration of all the districts in the state that they should be always alert whenever information is informed. Then action